Are you tired of spending countless hours each week buried in your email inbox? Imagine if there was a way to automate your email replies using AI, freeing up your time to focus on more important tasks. Well, it's possible and it's easier than you think. In just 2 minutes. I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT and Zapier to create an automated email system that will save you hours every week. Let's get started! First things first, you need to connect your Gmail account to Zapier. This allows Zapier to send emails on your behalf. Don't worry, this is completely safe, and you can revoke access at any time. Once connected, you'll see all of your unread emails in the Zapier app. Now it's time to add the ChatGPT app to your Zapier account. This will allow us to use ChatGPT SAI technology to draft responses to our emails. After connecting ChatGPT, we're almost done. Let's test it out. We'll click on this email and use the template to generate a response. As you can see, the AI has drafted a professional and polite response to this email. All we have to do now is click the send button and Zapier will send the email on our behalf. It's that simple. In just a few clicks, you can automate your email replies and save countless hours each week. You can use this time to focus on more important tasks or simply take a break and relax. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech expert to set this up. Anyone can do it in just a few minutes. So why wait? Start automating your emails today and watch your productivity soar. If you want to learn more about how to use AI to automate your business processes, stay tuned for more tutorials. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Notion AI can do more than just notes. It can automate your entire daily workflow. Let me show you how. First, open up your Notion dashboard. From there, go to AI and type in any task you want to automate. For example, I'm going to ask it to generate a to-do list for me. And just like that, it's done. I can now check off each task as I complete them. Auto to-do lists. That's one. Open up your Notion page where you have all of your meeting notes. And now what you can do is click on the AI icon right here and click on Summarize. Boom. You have a summary of your entire meeting. This is so accurate. It even includes action items. And here's the best part. You can actually click on this icon right here and have it generate a chart of your productivity. So cool. Work smarter, not harder. If you want some more AI hacks, make sure to subscribe for more AI hacks.